how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Just want to talk about some stuff before the market opens this week. Just some stuff I might be watching for, I guess, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, because those are the days I'll be home, available to trade, be kind of active. We can take a look, Bitcoin and the big markets real quick. I do want to look over some stuff before we dive into individual things. I kind of want to scan through a bunch of stocks too, just to see what's going on. Bitcoin's up 3% right now. I guess the market opened at 5 o'clock or something. I don't remember, but yeah, today's still Sunday, so Bitcoin looks like it's might open up tomorrow up. I thought, actually interesting, yeah. I thought it was gonna come down to retest, but it never did, so interesting. Gold is, yeah, okay. So gold actually fell. That was the 18th, yeah, that Friday. Yeah, very sad. This is actually dangerous, to be honest. I'm very nervous about this. Because, as you guys know, I got a lot of stuff in gold. And it really should be catching here, right? 1800, kind of the psychological level. I really don't want it to come down to retest this level down here. Yeah, I really don't want it to, because my portfolio is going to take a big hit, but looking from a big time frame, like the 1930s, 1900, it should have been it. But realistically, 1800 has got more historical support, got many months of that. Technically, actually, 1800 is the better support, but it really should not break here. This monthly candle, I would be surprised if it did break, right? Yeah, I think in the next few weeks, or I guess week, might come down, but I think this wick should hold above. But this wick should hold above, hopefully. Obviously, I'm just predicting it, or estimating, but you never know. Silver had this pretty huge wick on the other day. Wow, that was down like 3 or 4%. But yeah, silver is actually doing a lot better than gold. Kind of surprising. It usually is more volatile, but I mean, I guess it is, but gold is just continually going down. Alright, let's, some positions I added. I did buy some CCJ, average price 1681. Not the happiest with the price, but it is what it is. I just wanted to position it. I ended up buying some HITIF, average price 56.96. I think I bought 2 times, so it's a weird average price. I don't love the price here, but I like it enough to just start buying. If it gets to 50, I guess like 50 cents, I think I'll pick up more. But for now, we'll just see what happens. I'm looking to ride this, at least a year, probably 2 or 3 years. I'm willing to lose like 80%. Like I don't, I recognize that I'm buying at a weird time. It's already up, but I'm just gonna give it time and maybe dollar cost average. And I did like the company. I think it's got some issues, but I just want to be in the weed space, and this is very low market cap. I think it's got a lot of potential. JP Morgan, I'm still holding on. This is the $150 price that I thought it was going to go up to retest, or maybe come down, but I think if it hits 150, I'll see what happens that day. I'll check the strength of it, Hopefully it doesn't tomorrow, though. I want to be active when it does, or available to trade, but yeah, right now this is great trade, good position size. I think I protected downside risk to a lot right now, up about 14-15%. Good stuff. KL's getting smoked. Mag did pretty well. Let's see. Oh, PLTR. Yeah, this thing was crazy. Literally bought on this day. I told you guys. At 24.73 is my price. I didn't get a full position. I got half of a position. I didn't. That candle looked a little weird, but later in the day I probably could have added. But again, that candle looks weak, in my opinion. We have went up 15% the other day, so yeah, we're doing pretty well right now. I think I'm at 24.70, like about here. So we're up about 17% in like a day. Verizon is actually doing really well too. But they realized after Berkshire Hathaway, or is it Warren Buffett? I know it's the same thing, but I think Warren Buffett literally bought Verizon, and I think Chevron. So this shot up the price of the stock, so that's pretty good. Oil's doing its thing. Let's see what else we're looking at. We're just getting through the list. We got AA, we got AG. I don't have an AG. Oh, I sold. Where is it? Yeah, DD. It was just showing too much weakness. I think I lost like 2.5%. Yeah, about maybe 3%, but no more than that. I just didn't like it. I wanted to move the money into something else. So I ended up selling DD for something like PLTR, so that was a good move in my opinion. So far, I didn't take the profits, obviously, but so far so good. What else are we looking at? Neo's at some support area, but I'm not looking at this yet. NXC, Pinterest. I do want a position in Pinterest, but I need a pullback, I think. Play, Dave and Buster's. I still want it to come back to like 30 bucks, but on Friday it was up 5%, so it's showing a lot of strength. Whoops, this volume does look weird though, right? Let's see the volume. Like, why is it not? Let me see the volume. Yeah, it moved up, but not a lot of volume in comparison. I guess it's okay. I don't know why the volume's looking all weird. Is that better? There we go. I don't know what it was doing that. Okay. Yeah, I'm not looking at. I'm liking it yet. Pizza. I'm gonna take this off the list, but this was surprising. That cup and handle bounced back a nice shoot above, and then it just dipped like instantly. Surprising, but just take that off the list. RRC, SM. Yeah, SM had earnings. They kind of tanked. I was kind of anticipating that just because literally the stock ran up like literally 700% in 100 days. Like, yeah, it's got to pull back a little bit. So I was kind of guessing there'd be a lot of weak hands, just people that are in it for the wrong reasons. I was already up a lot. I wanted to take some profit. I do want to get back in, definitely. I know $6, $7, maybe $8 is it's still gotta fall like 25%. So I don't think it's gonna probably do that. I'm still gonna I'll watch the candle, see what happens, and just play it like that. Space, kind of expecting it to come back to its all-time high. I don't know if what do you guys think? Do you think it's gonna bounce here? I don't know. Right now I'm kind of guessing that a lot of people have a lot of big profits, right? So no one's gonna want to buy up here. That isn't a big candle, but is it big enough to cause a support? I don't know. I'm probably not gonna buy it if it gets to there, but just checking it out. Tesla's kind of fading. Interesting. Okay, I guess we could also. Oh, Caterpillar's at 5%. What happened? Trading higher in sympathy with Deere. Oh, Deere had strong Q1 results. Can it be growth at a pretty big day too on Friday? I see. Just looking at some other stuff. Let's scan through the list real quick. I'm not going to spend too much time on anything particular unless I see something that I really like. Yeah, I don't really think Airbnb. Alright, it's at kind of like, wait, why did I draw that line? I guess that's some price of significance, but I don't know if I want to hop in that. What was I gonna say? Let's go to a higher time frame. I don't really want to look at 6 months. I want 1 year. Let's see. I don't think. Let me see how much capital I have real quick. Yeah, I have like put it at maybe 5% cash right now, so I'm not in a position really where I want to take on something new unless it's really optimal. Or, oh yeah, AMD. What is this on the list? Oh, it is. I guess I skipped over it. I did sell AMD. I don't know if I told you guys already. I think it's 2% gain. A nice little bounce or candle right there. Like, that's pretty predictable. Actually, let's check out the daily. You can see, does that look strong? I don't know. bounced, faded, bounced, faded, bounced. Went up, but does that look strong? Not as strong as a down and a right buyback, so I don't know. I think it's still gonna try to hit $100. I think we might see. I'll wait to see more candles. We'll see what happens. That one, I don't know if it's one person, one hedge fund, they did bet again like a lot of money that by March, was it March 21st, it'll be at $100. So I mean, that's not to say it's gonna do it. It's just saying someone did that or made a bet, but a lot of money, a lot of moolah. Let's see what else we can find. Boeing, Papa, BlackBerry, Best Buy. Yeah, this stock, Baidu, BIDU, like shot up. When I saw it was like $300. I was like, what the heck? The last time I checked, it was under like 100. So that thing just flew, and it looks like they had exceptional earnings. So that's pretty wild. Let's see something. Oh, Bumble. Nice. So far, almost every like IPO we've been watching, Airbnb. Wow, now I can't even think of all the rest. I don't even remember. But it seems like most IPOs, you wait for the move to fade, like X percentage, maybe 10-20%, and then buy it. That's not a good strategy, but it's just interesting to take note. What is this BB? Berkshire Hathaway, Caterpillar, CCGC, Church Dwight. I added that to the list because Clorox felt a lot. I added that to the list because it seems like a good company. So far, not seeing too much. Look at this, like, study. That's a pretty accurate grind line, and we're on it right now. Huh. I'm gonna add that to the list, actually. Coursera. I mean, I don't like buying just off a grind line, but... So this is a pretty significant price, right? So maybe just buy it. Maybe you get like an 8% move, risk reward. 3 to, yeah, that's like a 10% to 3% loss, maybe, if things work out perfectly. I don't like trading like that, but if you're feeling a little gambly, or if I'm feeling a little gambly, I might just hop in that. Oh, DoorDash was another one. See, it had that fade move, and then it bounced back. Dropbox, yeah, we looked at that. Deere had good earnings. DG, Dollar General, big fade. Disney, I think I want to buy some more shares soon. I know I keep saying that, but maybe this week I'll just buy like one share just to say I did, because I want to increase my position over time. eBay is still like hovering at that all-time high level. Let's see. Is this... Nah. I always look for these ascending triangle patterns. Damn, Freeport McMoran up 10% on Friday. Wow. Silver did really good that day. Or not silver, steel stocks. I look for these ascending triangle patterns, but I can never find them. Like, oh, wait a minute. Speaking of the devil, look at this. This might be the early formation of one. Yeah, this actually might be. Wow. So we have an up move, 2 times support, right? This could still fade. GM though is added to the list. Did it get added? Add GM, wasn't it? Oh, it's added. Okay. I think so. This technically is ascending triangle. 1, 1, 1. But yeah, interesting. I like this actually. Let's see something else. We're at all-time high. No, we're not. Okay. Well, this price looks very significant. Look at all the candles here. We got one here, all this here, but we got these wicks. Those 3 back-to-back wicks. This looks like a very... Look at that. 1, 2, 3. So what level is this? 65 bucks. Technical wise, that's when they went out of business, I guess, yeah. Or bankrupt, whatever. So maybe we get a break to 23%, or to maybe 25%, let's just say, minimize the risk. If it definitely falls below here, the pattern's deemed invalid, right? Maybe you get, let's say, 7% loss for if you buy it, if I were to buy it right now, 25 to 7. I think I'll watch it this week. Maybe high probability I get in this just because I like to play all of the ascending triangles I see. Interesting. Even so, the moves up were big enough with the volume that it overshot earnings. That's how much volume. That's pretty crazy. That doesn't mean you should trade this at all. I'm just saying this is something I'm looking at that I might do. Generac's taking off. I remember someone told me about this, like, what time frame are we on? Yeah, right. Literally back here, yeah, in the summer, they're still hanging on their shares. They're up 100 something percent, 160%. Gold stocks just getting smacked still. Maybe one day we'll have our vengeance, but not today. Goldman Sachs is important to watch because I got the position in JP Morgan just to see what it's doing, just because, just similar sector. I honestly, I don't even need to look too much more about all this stuff because I feel like I already have a lot of good plays this week. Everything's just moving to, yeah, some things could probably fall in price, but this market's unstoppable temporarily. So, just gotta be cautious, but also take advantage of when things sell off. It's probably gonna get bought back up. Markets shouldn't behave like this, but they are right now, so yeah. It will probably fade eventually, but for now, I'm gonna make some money. PF, yeah, I don't want to touch that thing. Procter Gamble, if Procter Gamble's dividend, let's see, what is it? 0.7. Let's see, 7.7909. Oops. 0.79, let's just, oh my gosh, I can't do it. 0.7909 times 4 divided by 127. Yeah, if it's not, it's like a 2.5 yield. If this gets to like a 3% yield, I think I'll have to add some, just because it's just a good company to have. Alright, let's quickly go through this. What is this? Well, blog. Just looking for technicals. If I don't see it in 2 seconds, it's not something I want to look at. Wait, what is this? Rocket mortgage is selling off. Okay, wow, oh, SeaWorld, wow. Okay, wait, what is this? No. We got a lot of companies. Smith and Wesson, I do want, if it hits at 15 bucks, I think I'm adding it. Not a great play, but I just like it. Man, I'm getting sleepy. Let's see. Nope, I thought I saw something. It was just fake. What is this? UPS. Let's see this for a minute. Because I've been watching this for a while. This looks like a super strong support. Look at that. Look at these candles. Whoops. Look at these candles too. Look at boom, buy all these. Who's buying? Wow, wait a minute. Look at all these wicks. Like, wick. Oh, like, this whole price. This, channel is so strong. 158 to 156. Super strong. I mean, this doesn't look like a company or, a good volatile trading company, but people like that price. They ain't letting it fall. Interesting. I've got a couple more stocks. space could honestly be a decent time. Like, it fell off earnings, but I'm not gonna make that bet. US Steel looking like rounding out, maybe to go up, shoot above. Whoops, what'd I do? You know, I might get suckered into this. Suckered into like I'm gonna add that to the list. That might be a mistake. Zoom. Oh yeah, I was looking at Zoom. Did it? Oh, never got added to the list. Oh, yeah. So this list might get changed because every day when I update things on Sunday, for some reason it doesn't transition to Monday. But yeah, I like Zoom. Look at this. Fade, fade, buy, higher, low. If we get this like higher, low move, like maybe they have decent earnings, maybe they have bad earnings. I don't know. But if it does, move back here, looking like it's gaining some strength. Maybe ride it to the all-time high. That's like 40%. That's very optimistic, but take a look at what we got, Alright, so I got AG on the list, AMD, CC, I could take this off. Oh yeah, alright, so, I gotta thin out this list a lot. I could take this off, NXC is take off, take that off. I'm not gonna watch space. So my play is probably this week. AMD maybe, if it gives me an opportunity. But I got other stuff. Coursera, I like it right now, right where it's at. I don't love it, but I like it. Yeah, I think that's a little bit weaker play. GM, I do like. I think we need more candles, some more tightening of the volatility. But now it might be a good time for me to enter because I'm early, but I might pay because it's a little bit more risky. Gonna take KMB, Kimberly Clark off the list. Play still, that's got a long way to go. X, I just want to get in this, but I don't want to suffer the consequences. Zoom, maybe. So right now, I guess GM's looking like the spicy play for me. Maybe Coursera, maybe Zoom. I don't like how the earnings are soon. I don't like to play with that. Yeah, GM just had earnings, so that's good. And Coursera just had earnings, so I don't have to worry about that for the time that I'm gonna be trading. Alright. So yeah, I'll be watching that. PLTR, I guess I should talk about that too real quick. Looking to exit. Honestly, we had such a strong move right now, and it's pretty hyped stock too, that might try to ride this all the way up. Like, I don't know. Maybe, yeah, I'll see, honestly. I'll see the strength, because right now, look at that strength. That's a lot of strength. And it's got some big, look at these explosive moves too on this type of volume. We had, that's 190 million. This is almost double that volume. Not quite double, but almost. So maybe 1.75%, or you know what I mean? So, see what kind of explosive move we get. I'm definitely out of this grind line, or below this 25 bucks. 25.50, I'm probably out. I think just psychological reasons on how this would be traded. I think below that I'm out. So anyway, I think this is gonna be a pretty big move. Let's see it go to 100 bucks. No, I'm kidding, but I know. Oh wait, this thing just IPO'd too. I didn't realize that. Let me see the weekly. I keep hitting the wrong button. Oh wow, yeah, this thing just IPO'd. Okay. Alright, anyway. Thanks for watching, everybody. Let me know what you're watching down below. I know sometimes your comments get deleted. YouTube just deletes them. I don't know why. I can't see them, but I know they're there, so it's interesting. But anyway, thanks for watching. Let me know if you want to talk about anything